Now more than ever, we are transitioning into remote work environments, and it's very important for businesses to set their employees up for success. I am constantly on the go, and I have to be able to collaborate with a bunch of different people even though we're not in the same area. One company making this possible for so many businesses is ScanSource, a provider of complete technology and collaboration solutions. They sent me a ton of products to try out, and I'm going to learn all about them. I got all this really cool stuff here to set up, and on Teams I have Ansley Hoke, who's gonna kind of help go through all of it.
Thanks so much, Ryan.
So setting up a remote work environment can be a bit of a challenge, so the employees need the right set of technology solutions, and that's really where you guys come in, right?
ScanSource provides many different collaboration platforms for our partners, and then those partners deliver those solutions to their end user customer, just like you.
So let's start with Microsoft Teams. That's actually what we're using right now.
Microsoft Teams has been a wonderful platform, and it has video, voice, chatting, as well as document sharing that's as easy as a touch of a button. And also, when you're looking at solutions in the collaboration space, Cisco DX80 all-in-one unit, and this has easy switching between email, documents, and video calls. Application sharing is a breeze on this one, and plenty of whiteboarding features as well. And then now, as we all know, working from home, noise can be an issue. We have the Jabra Engage 75 wireless headset. It's noise canceling, it's wireless, and it has 9 hours of battery life, so you can work the whole day without having to recharge.
How can we make sure that we get the best quality out of our video chat calls?
The first way to do it is with the Avaya Vantage true multimedia device. This has a great HD display that allows for point-to-point video calls. Now, if you're on the go, the Poly Eagle Eye Mini is the camera for you. It's got a more immersive video collaboration experience, more so than just your regular laptop cameras.
Well, you know, this is lots of truly amazing stuff. I can't thank you enough, and I just can't wait to use it all.
Oh, you just have fun with it, and I just can't wait for you to try out all of them. Thank you so much, Ryan.
Interested in how to set up your employees for success? Head over to scansource.com/designingspaces to find out more.